graph the system of inequalities. There are four pieces or four inequalities in this system. First, we set up the coordinate system x, y axis. X is greater than or equal 0. This means we are going to shade everything on the right hand side of the line x equals 0, which is the vertical line, and it is solid. This is x equals 0. We shade the region on the right hand side of this line, this vertical line. The second inequality is y greater than or equal to 0, and this is the horizontal line, and it is solid as well because of the equal sign in the inequality. Y equals 0, and since it is greater than, so we will shade everything above the line y equals 0. X is less than or equal to 5. We first draw the line x equals 5, which is the vertical line. We use the solid line because, again, of the equal sign in the inequality. And we shade everything on the left-hand side of this vertical line, on the left-hand side of the line x equals 5. And lastly, for the inequality x plus y less than or equal to 7, we would first graph the line x plus y equals 7, where if we isolate y, we have y equals negative x plus 7. And so the y-intercept is 0, 7, not drawn to scale here. X equals 0, y equals 7, and the slope is negative 1. And since the slope is negative 1, this means rise is negative 1 and go over to the right 1. Or simply put, we would go down 1 and to the right 1. And so from the y-intercept, we go down 1 unit and go to the right 1 unit. And we connect the 2 points to obtain the line. And again, this is the solid line because of the equal sign in the inequality. And the equation of this line is x plus y equals 7. This line separates the planes into two regions, and we need to determine where we would need to shade the solution region for the last inequality. We pick any point that is not on the line, such as the point 0, 0, and we plug it into the inequality 0 plus 0, and we want to see whether this is less than 7 or not. And it is less than 7. And so the point 0, 0 is in the solution region. And since this point is below the line, we will shade everything that is below this line x plus y equals 7. The solution is the part that we shaded 4 times because there are 4 inequalities. It's a little bit difficult to visualize this, but let's review this. The first time, or with the first inequality, we shade everything on the right of the y-axis because of the line x equals 0. X equals 0 is the y-axis, so we shade everything on the right. The second inequality gives us the region above the line y equals 0, which is above the x-axis. And so up to the second inequality, we shaded this part twice. And then for x less than or equal to 5, we shade everything on the left-hand side of x equals 5. So we shaded this part 3 times. And lastly, we shade the part below this line x plus y equals 7. And so we shaded this part again 4 times. And so the solution is this region that we shaded 4 times because there are 4 inequalities, and we indicated that this is the solution region. There are many points in this region. We cannot list them all. This is how we express the solution to the system of the inequalities.